How to buy Safemoon on Trust Wallet. So if you want to actually buy Safemoon on Trust Wallet, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Trust Wallet application here, and you will see this type of interface here. Right now what you have to do from here is to buy Safemoon. You simply go to the buy option over here after you log into your account. In the search bar you can search for any cryptocurrency, but since you're trying to buy Safemoon, you can simply search for Safemoon, and if it has any sort of availability for Safemoon, then you'll actually find them over here. And once done, you can select Safemoon, choose the amount of it that you want to buy, and once done you will be able to fill in your payment details and finish up with the transaction. So this way you'll be able to buy Safemoon and Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.